Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. Today I'm here for a short tutorial. I have seen people struggling with the purple color when they are importing assets into Unity, and the solution might be simpler than you think. I'll try and grab something from the free assets from Unity store. Let's say that I want this free low poly helicopter pack. So I will add it to my assets. I will open in Unity. Let's see if it downloads correctly. Import. I don't need the scenes. And as you can see, most likely it will come purple, right? So if I grab my helicopter number 1, it's purple. Let's try to fix this. In order to do so, I'll go to Window, Rendering, Render Pipeline Converter. And let's try to have the built-in to Universal Render Pipeline. I will check only materials for now, and I will initialize converter. I will save my scene and continue. It looks like I have two materials that could be upgraded. Let's convert the assets. Well, you got them. By only doing the convert assets on two materials, I got my helicopter sorted out. And I think the other ones are fixed as well. So you see, it was really simple. You just need to go to Window, Rendering, Pipeline Converter, and the first thing you initialize, and Unity will automatically look for materials that might need to be upgraded, and then Unity convert it, in my case, to the Universal Render Pipeline. So, just as I promised, this was a short tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Were you having this problem? Let me know in the comments, and if it's fixed, let me know as well. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to keep up with more content. See you in the next tutorial. Stay awesome!